Well friends, in this video we shall discuss regarding fixing of AC sheet to the purlins. So coming to first, galvanized iron corrugated sheets, GI sheets, well known as GI sheets in the market. So here you can see this is the galvanized iron sheet. So this is called as corrugated. You will find this type of corrugation, up and downs are there. So this is called as corrugation and the sheet is called as galvanized corrugated sheet. So galvanized iron sheets are widely used as a roofing material. They are stronger than asbestos sheet. AC sheet means asbestos cement sheets. However, because of their higher cost, they are now gradually replaced by the asbestos cement sheet, because these galvanized iron sheets are very costly with compared to asbestos sheet. At the same time, these asbestos sheet, these are available in variety of sizes and they are having good life. That's why the galvanized iron sheets are replaced by these asbestos cement sheets. They are not used for slopes flatter than 1 in 4. GI sheets are made of iron sheets which are galvanized with zinc to protect them from rusting action of water and wet weather. GI sheets are made of iron. These are made up of iron sheet and they are painted with the galvanized zinc, protect from rusting action of water and wet weather. These sheets are fixed in a manner similar to the asbestos cement sheet. The process of fixing of this galvanized iron sheet is similar to AC sheets. End lap should not be less than 15 cm. The end lap, when one sheet is placed above the other sheet, in that case the end lap should not be less than 15 cm and the holes are either drilled or punched in the sheet crowns. How these are done, that we shall discuss while fixing the AC sheets to the purlins. These sheets are secured by purlins by means of galvanized iron hook board, screws, nails, etc. with the curved washers. The sheet should be fixed to use by means of flat iron wind ties. Now coming to asbestos cement sheet AC sheets, well known as AC sheet. Asbestos cement sheets are now increasingly becoming popular for industrial buildings, factories, sheds, cinema houses, auditorium and even residential buildings, since they are cheap, lightweight, though tough, durable, watertight and fire resisting. As it possesses all these properties, so asbestos sheets are used almost for all buildings, including residential buildings as well as industrial buildings. So here you can see corrugated asbestos cement sheet. The biggest advantage is that they are available in bigger units unlike tiles, and hence supporting framework is also cheaper, easier and lighter. These sheets do not require any protective paint, that is also important, and no elaborate maintenance is required. Also, the construction with asbestos cement sheets is very fast, and these sheets are manufactured from asbestos, 50% fiber and Portland cement. The constituents are asbestos itself, then fiber 15% and Portland cement. Now this is all about asbestos cement sheet. Now procedure of laying or asbestos sheet. Normally question is asked, fixing of asbestos sheet or GI sheet to the purlin. This type of question is asked in the exam. So how it is fixed? The sheet should be laid with smooth side upward and the end mark top pointing upwards the edge. The sheet should be laid with smooth side upward. In case of this sheet, the smooth side should be kept upward and the end marked top pointing upwards the edge. They are usually laid with an end lap of 15 cm. So while placing sheet one above the other, in that case end lap that should be 15 centimeter. The side lap of asbestos cement sheet, corrugated sheet, should be half corrugation, and that for AC Trafford sheet be of 1 corrugation. So in case of corrugated asbestos cement sheet, half of the corrugation is used as a lap, and in case of Trafford sheet, complete corrugation used to provide a side lap in case of sheets. The hole for fixing accessories must be drilled and not punched. Here in case of this, drilling is done, punching is not done, but in case of GI sheet, punching is possible, punching is done. The hole must be drilled in the crown of the corrugation. So here, while fixing one sheet to another sheet as well as to this purlin, in case of this, so this drilling or this nailing, it should be done on the crown of corrugation. So here it is done on the crown of corrugation, not here. This is the right process of fixing the screw to the sheet and purlin. It should be fixed on the crown of corrugation. Then the diameter of the hole should be 3 mm greater than the diameter of the screw to be used. The diameter of the hole in case of asbestos cement sheets, it should be 3 mm greater than the screw diameter. What is the reason? Because it should be easily fixed. And then in case of this, there will be leakage problem if the diameter of the hole is more than 3 mm. So in that case, the asbestos washers are used. Here in case of, here GI washer is shown. GI washers are also used, but normally GI washers are used in case of GI sheets. So here GI washers are also used, or asbestos washers are also used, so that it will avoid the leakage from the holes or from the screws. 8 mm diameter hook bolt, eye bolt, crank bolt or couch bolt are inserted in the 11 mm diameter drilled holes. Mitre is necessary to avoid gaps where 4 sheets meet at a lap. Mitre is required when 4 sheets meet at a lap. This is all about fixing of AC sheet to the purlins. Then coming to the Mangalore tile roof. So here, this is the very good view of Mangalore tiles roof. The Mangalore tiles are the oldest and most popular tiles since ages because of their yearning and redolent use in heritage buildings and the peculiar pattern. In case of heritage building, the tiles are used, this type of tiles are used. This is the peculiar pattern of the tiles. Many magical structures can be created by using this versatile Mangalore roof tile with channels and angles by fabricating in steel. So with the help of this, the versatile structures can be possible. Here you can see how it is done. So this is slope is in the direction, then here ridge is there, is piece is provided, here dormer window is provided, dormer roof is provided, and so slope is provided in this direction. This is possible only in case of Mangalore tiles. In case of GI sheets, asbestos sheet, in case of slab roof also, in case of RC roof also, this is not possible, but very easily it can be created in case of Mangalore tile roof. So versatile roofs are possible, and this can be fabricated in channels, angles, wooden material. In earlier times, the wood was used for this purpose, but as the passes, the cost of wood increased and the availability of steel became more popular than the wooden roof purlins. Nowadays, wood is not available, at the same time it is very costly. So steel purlins are most popular nowadays. Mangalore tiles are red color tiles, Kashmiri red color tiles prepared from laterite clay. The tiles are prepared from laterite clay and the color is red color. This is called as Kashmiri red color, which is prepared almost in all areas. It is eco-friendly. Most important thing is that the tiles are eco-friendly. They will not receive any harm to the environment. Cheap, durable, and is available in different sizes and shapes as per user's need. The tiles are available nowadays in the market in different shapes. Due to vast availability of sizes and shapes, they are easy to handle and install, but precaution is needed as these are delicate and vulnerable to breakage. These are delicate, very delicate tiles are very delicate and vulnerable to breakage. These tiles can be used in many creative ways, but their maintenance is an issue. Maintenance is very important in case of tiles, because after 2 to 3 years we have to color it. Sometimes that due to atmospheric there is possibility of forming the cracks, breakage also, but it gives very good appearance. That's why tiles are nowadays. Also people are using tiles for residential building, commercial building, also hotels also these tiles are used. So this is all about. In fact, in this video the most important thing is fixing of AC sheet to the purlins. Sometimes question may be asked, fixing of AC sheet to the GI sheets to the purlins, AC sheet to the purlin. The procedure is same. Thank you.